In this short video, I'm going to share with you how to install control console lift strut on a mini excavator. We go to a new part. Removal is easy, but installing a new one can be challenging. I will share with you how I did it. Pretty easy. Guys, if you're first time to the channel, please subscribe. Very appreciated that. Let's get started. For the job, the best tool is long, flat screwdriver. Small ones won't really do it, but you can try it. 35 pounds of pressure, it's quite a bit. Okay, second thing, let's get our bottom part of the strut in. That's pretty easy part, but now we have to push that rod inside the cylinder. Okay, I have 2x4 holding my control console up, extended as far as I can. Okay, now let's push the rod inside. As you can see, I'm pushing and get that eyelet on a pin. That's it. As you could see, didn't take long, then push it full all the way in and you got it. You might just need to try it a few times, but you will get it. Just do it like that. Okay, now we can remove our handy 2x4. We don't need it anymore, and now you can disable all your hydraulic controls and your control console will stay up. Now I'm just going to put all those washers and pins in place and all covers as well. Simple as that, guys. And if it's helpful, thumbs up. Thank you so much. Everything's working, and if you have any comments, questions, critiques, suggestions, put them down in the comment section below. I will try to reply much as I can. And now we're back in business. And by the way, this is Takeuchi Tb260 mini excavator. Great machine, but let me know what machine do you have and how did it work. Okay, thank you so much for your time watching this short video, and take care, stay safe, and see you soon. Bye bye.